Welcome back to the Forge of Low Expectations, where today we're going to be building one of my favorites from the Dragon Ball series, Trunks' sword. Now I've already got the handle, the blade, and the scabbard or sheath printed and glued. So all that's left to do is to fill the gaps, sand it smooth, and paint it into something worthy of a time traveler. Let's get started. This is where patience matters, because we're going to keep filling, sanding, rinsing, and repeating until this thing is smoother than Frieza's head, and try not to lose any fingertips in the process. So got basically everything smooth, mostly filled out, enough to where I think it's good enough for the final paint job. So this is just going to be a classic anime look. It's one thing to print 3D parts, it's another to see everything come together in the end. This feels almost ready to slay some androids. Alright, so this might not save the timeline, but it will look amazing on the wall. And what do you think?
9 out of 10.
Would you trust me to save the timeline with it?
No, but I trust the sword.
Ouch. So as always, that will wrap up Trunks' sword build. So if you like projects like this, consider hitting the like button and the subscribe to stay up to date on all future projects, and leave a comment down below on what anime, manga, TV show sword build that you'd like to see me struggle through next. So as always, stay sharp and please don't mess with the timeline.